Imagine a world where your electricity bill stays low, but your home stays bright for longer hours. Most people think powerful lighting always means high electricity consumption, but that's no longer true. Technology has changed the way we use light, and devices like this LED light system are becoming one of the smartest solutions for homes, shops, offices, and even small businesses. Today, we are talking about a lighting setup that is designed to save electricity, reduce monthly bills, and provide powerful brightness at the same time. At first glance, this may look like an ordinary LED fitting, but the real magic is inside the technology. This LED panel uses multiple small LED chips that work together to produce strong and balanced light. Unlike old bulbs that waste energy by producing heat, LEDs convert most of the electricity directly into light. That means less energy waste and more brightness. This is exactly why LED technology is becoming popular all over the world. Think about traditional incandescent bulbs. They become extremely hot after a short time and consume a large amount of electricity. Even CFL bulbs, which were once considered energy-saving, cannot compete with modern LEDs. LEDs are faster, brighter, safer, and much more efficient. A normal old bulb may consume 100 watts, but an LED can provide similar brightness using only a fraction of that power. This means lower electricity bills every single month. One of the biggest benefits of this type of LED setup is long working hours on low power consumption. People who use lights for long periods every day know how expensive electricity can become. Shops, garages, street stalls, workspaces, and homes often keep lights turned on for many hours. In those situations, energy-saving LEDs become a smart investment because they reduce power usage while still delivering powerful illumination. Another important thing is durability. Ordinary bulbs often stop working quickly, especially during voltage fluctuations, but quality LED systems are designed for longer life. They can work for thousands of hours if used correctly. That means fewer replacements, less maintenance, and more savings over time. Instead of buying new bulbs again and again, you install an efficient LED system once and enjoy long-term performance. The interesting part is that LEDs also generate less heat. This may sound simple, but it actually makes a huge difference. Traditional bulbs waste energy by producing heat, and that heat can increase room temperature. During summer, that extra heat can make fans and air conditioners work harder, which increases electricity consumption even more. LEDs help avoid this problem because they stay cooler compared to older lighting systems. Many people don't realize how much electricity lighting consumes in daily life. If multiple old bulbs are running for several hours every day, the monthly bill increases significantly. But replacing them with efficient LED lights can noticeably reduce power costs. That is why energy-saving lighting is becoming a necessity instead of just an option. This type of LED fitting is also useful for backup power systems. In areas where electricity load shedding happens frequently, low-power devices become extremely important. If you are using a UPS, inverter, or solar system, LED lights can run much longer compared to traditional bulbs. This makes them perfect for people who want reliable lighting during power cuts while still saving battery power. Now imagine using these lights with a solar setup. Since LEDs consume very little energy, even a small solar system can power them effectively. That means brighter homes with less dependency on expensive electricity. In the future, energy-efficient lighting combined with solar power may become one of the most common solutions for households around the world. Another great advantage is brightness quality. Modern LED chips provide clean and clear illumination that helps improve visibility. Whether you are reading, working, repairing equipment, making videos, or recording content for YouTube, proper lighting matters a lot. Good lighting improves focus, enhances productivity, and even makes videos look more professional. For content creators, lighting is extremely important. A simple LED setup can completely change the quality of a video. Shadows become softer, visibility improves, and the camera captures better details. Many beginner YouTubers spend large amounts of money on expensive equipment, but sometimes proper lighting alone can make a huge difference in video quality. This is why many creators, shopkeepers, mechanics, students, and office workers are shifting toward LED lighting solutions. They are affordable, long-lasting, and practical for everyday use. In today's economy, saving electricity is not just about reducing bills. It is also about using smarter technology that gives better performance with less power consumption. Another thing people love about LEDs is instant brightness. Traditional bulbs sometimes take time to reach full brightness, especially older CFLs. LEDs turn on immediately with full illumination. No delay, no flickering, and no waiting. This makes them reliable and comfortable for daily use. Safety is another hidden advantage. Since LEDs generate less heat, the risk of overheating is lower compared to old bulbs. This makes them safer for homes and workplaces. Less heat also means surrounding materials are less likely to be damaged over time. Many businesses are now replacing old lighting systems with LEDs because they understand the long-term benefits. Imagine a store that keeps lights on for 10 to 12 hours daily. Switching to energy-saving LEDs can reduce operational costs significantly. Over months and years, those savings become very noticeable. Even governments and large organizations around the world encourage people to use LED technology because it reduces overall electricity demand. When millions of homes save power together, it helps reduce pressure on the electrical system. That means fewer energy shortages and a more sustainable future. But here's the most interesting part. People often think saving electricity means sacrificing brightness or comfort. LEDs prove that idea completely wrong. You can actually get brighter, cleaner, and better lighting while consuming less electricity. That's the power of modern innovation. Now think about your own home. How many lights stay on daily? How much electricity could be saved by switching to efficient LED systems? Small changes can create big savings over time. A single LED light may not be important, but when multiple lights are replaced, the impact becomes huge. Technology is evolving every year, and energy efficiency is becoming more important than ever. Smart users are not just buying products randomly anymore. They are choosing solutions that save money, improve performance, and last longer. That is exactly why LED technology continues to dominate the market. If you enjoy discovering smart gadgets, energy-saving ideas, useful technology, and practical innovations that can improve daily life while saving money, then this channel is for you. Here we explore devices, tools, and modern solutions that make life easier, smarter, and more efficient. Subscribe now and become part of a community that loves technology, creativity, and powerful ideas for the future.